Hi guys, thanks for tuning into Lightworks TV. My name's Dave, and you're watching product demonstrations.
This is your typical flexible meeting space. It's just over 20 feet wide by 20 feet deep and can be set up to accommodate a variety of different meeting styles. You've probably been in a room just like this one, whether it was for a presentation style meeting, a more collaborative team-based session, or your classic boardroom type meeting. In any one of those scenarios though, I'll bet there were remote participants who needed to both hear and contribute to what was going on. In order to support those people, your IT team probably installed a complex audio system in the room. Here's the thing though, those systems can be expensive to install, difficult to maintain, and aren't really designed to follow the modern meeting. Today's meetings, just like this space, need to be more flexible. We're up, we're moving around, we're working on whiteboards and span canvases. We go from huddle to huddle. Audio conferencing technology just wasn't designed for today's meeting, until now. My name is Adrian, and I'm here today to introduce you to Nureva's HDL300 audio conferencing system. It's powered by an innovation in audio technology called Microphone Mist. To ensure you're heard from anywhere in the room, Microphone Mist fills your meeting space with 8,192 virtual microphones. Behind me, you see the HDL300 on the wall. It's connected to a normal PC running Microsoft Skype for Business. You might not realize this, but what you're hearing is the audio being captured by Skype through the HDL300. You're hearing exactly what a remote participant would hear. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 different scenarios to show you the power of the HDL300. I'm going to show you that when remote participants can't hear, they can't actually participate. And I'm also going to show you that when people in the room change their behavior, it makes them sound unnatural and can reduce the productivity in your meeting. The HDL300 was designed to solve those problems and keep frustrations to a minimum so that you can stay productive. In this scenario, I'm a facilitator leading discussions with groups of people in the room and remote participants. You can imagine that in a scenario like this, I would need to go from group to group, hand out materials, make sure that ideas are being discussed. As I move about the room, a traditional audio system would have a hard time keeping up with me. That's because it's designed to cover just the area it's set up in. It's static. The HDL300 lets me be confident that I can be heard by the remote participants. I can address people at table 1 and at table 2, and even directly engage my remote participants. I'm a facilitator. It's my job to make sure people are discussing and sharing ideas, and I can't do that if I'm not confident in the technology. The HDL300 solves that problem. In this scenario, I'm the in-room participant sitting at the back of the room. In a collaborative setting, it's important that everyone's voice is heard. Everyone's voice matters. Think in the back of the room of a quiet talker or a CFO who's simply sitting in the meeting waiting to contribute. That message absolutely has to be heard. Right now you can see I'm sitting about 25 feet away from the HDL300, and thanks to the virtual microphones, it has no problem picking up my voice. No need for me to speak unnaturally or change the way I talk. A traditional audio system would have a hard time keeping up unless there was a boundary mic somewhere near me. Thanks to the virtual microphones, I can be confident that I'm heard no matter where I am in the room. In this scenario, I'm a presenter at the front of the room with in-room participants as well as some remote participants dialing in through the phone. Now, in a situation like this, it would be totally natural for me to engage with a chart deck or write something on the span canvas back here. And in both of those scenarios, I'm actually turning away from the microphone. I mean, I could deal with that. I could wear a lapel mic or have some archaic system in the ceiling, but that's just another hassle. Has it been calibrated? Is the lapel mic charged? Personally, I'd rather avoid it altogether. Thanks to the HDL300's Microphone Mist, I'm free to walk about the room. I can engage with a participant here. I can speak to someone personally here. I am confident that there are always a few mics around to capture whatever it is I'm saying. I can keep moving around the room freely. I can pace and do all of the things I would normally do to make a presentation great for the people in the room. And now, thanks to the HDL300, the remote participants as well. As you've seen throughout these scenarios, the HDL300 lets you speak and be heard from anywhere in the room. This lets your remote participants fully engage with what's happening. You don't have to worry about the technology anymore. It just works. What does that mean for you? It means more collaboration, more ideas. That's what the HDL300 can offer you. For more information or to schedule your personalized demo, please click the link at the end of this video.
So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, leave comments or questions, and subscribe below. And we'll see you next time on Lightworks TV.